So this here is my system. It's been dismantled for its yearly striptease bare minimum, and this is my HAF X. I've taken out almost everything from it. The top two fans, that's gonna be over there, and this is the top cover. This is the front cover, sorry. Top cover is right here with all of its attachments. Yeah, the grills, the grill is right here. This is the mesh for the top. This is the front panel. The front panel, let's see if I can get this moved over. Yep, this is the front panel. It's been taken out completely. Here's the back. The fan from here taken out as well. That is that one. I'm going to be making a few changes to this. This here is my Asus motherboard M4A TDP Evo. The processor doesn't look too good. It's kind of gotten these marks from its stock processor. I intend to change that with this one here. It's the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. Extremely good. This is my G-Skill RAM, 1600 megahertz, 4 gigs. This is the back plate for the motherboard. It had to be taken out to fit this one in. My Asus ROM, my Asus BU cooler HD 7770, and there you have my hard drives. WD, of course. Got my 1 TB black and some more here as well, and that is the fan from front. The two ones from the top. This here, you can say it's more for hard disk cooler, rather it channels the wind towards the hard disk, keeps it cool. Lots of roll trays in the front. That of course is the front panel, and I guess that's about it. Yep. This is the annual strip down of my PC for completely. Thanks for watching.